think Tay's going to use that info about my mom and dad kissing to try to drop the case? Hey, Mom. Dad.
You mind if we talk to Matthew?
Of course. Nora, I'm sorry that you have to spend your first day of married life in court. No, you're not.
Son, you know whatever happens, we love you.
Always. Always.
I love you guys, too.
Dale Delgado, attorney for Matthew Buchanan.
Elijah Clark. Looking forward to sparring with you.
Oh, I don't think there'll be any sparring.
No need for false modesty, Miss Delgado. Your reputation precedes you.
I'm not modest, false or otherwise. And as much as I enjoy going mano a mano, there won't be any sparring. You are going to withdraw your appeal.
Now, why would I do that?
Because it's in your client's best interests, unless you want me to reveal their secret.
Miss Delgado, what is the secret information you know about my clients?
Well, if I told you, then it wouldn't be a secret now, would it?
You said we wouldn't be sparring. So, you expect me to withdraw my appeal simply because you say so?
Just let your clients know that I'm aware of a certain event that they wouldn't want entered into the public record. Especially now that Nora has married Beau's brother. I am confident that they will more clearly see their son's point of view.
Wow. You know, usually reputations are full of hot air, but you're living up to everything I've heard.
Happy to oblige.
But I'm not withdrawing my action. In fact, I'd advise you to back out of this right now. Drop your case.
Oh, why would I do that?
Because I might just have some secret information, too, about you.
What secret do you think you know about me?
Come on, everybody has secrets, don't you? Or are you saying your past is squeaky clean, nothing to hide?
Oh, so you're just playing the odds.
Well, you said you had a trump card. So do I. If you play yours, I'll be forced to play mine.
You're bluffing. You don't know me. You don't know anything about me.
You may be right. But are you willing to take that chance?
This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Avery Henson presiding.
Good afternoon, everyone. This hearing is to assess the merits of a suit brought by the minor Matthew Buchanan to compel his parents to authorize spinal surgery. I'll hear presentations from both attorneys, and then I'll decide whether or not this case will proceed. Shall we begin? Let's begin with counsel representing the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Buchanan.
Oh, Your Honor, we're not Mr. and Mrs. Buchanan. Well, I mean, I am Mrs. Buchanan, and he's Mr. Buchanan, but we're not, well, I'm Matthew's mother, and he's Matthew's, but we're not, Beau?
She's married to my brother,
Thank you.
Clint Buchanan.
I get the picture. Mr. Clark.
Your Honor, the law is very clear. The authority to consent to or refuse medical treatment for a minor lies with the parents or legal guardian, and it is presumed they will act in the best interest of the child. But by challenging that authority of the parents in question to upstanding citizens, and might I add, professionals within the justice system, Ms. Delgado is asking that we all disregard the law. She's asking that you legislate from behind the bench because she has no legal case. There are no secrets here. Everything's out in the open, plain for the world to see. Your Honor, the law is the law. Thus, I am requesting that this case be thrown out.
Your Honor, I don't need a reminder of the statute regarding medical treatment for minors. In fact, I have a whole list of cases in which the law was challenged successfully. The minors in question all won the right to have control over their own bodies. They weren't simply dismissed because their parents said no. The cases examined the minor's competency to make decisions, as well as the particular medical facts. Now, Matthew Buchanan is a bright young man. He is an honors student and an athlete denied use of his legs by a tragic accident. He has a simple wish to walk again, a wish that can be granted by an operation. Why his parents will not allow him to have that operation? Are they not listening to their son? Are they too distracted?
I thought she wasn't going to say anything about that kid.
Ms. Delgado?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was about to say, are his parents too distracted by reading internet articles, by filling their heads with anecdotal evidence, that they are failing to see the hard medical facts involved in this case? There is legal precedent to allow my client to make the decision whether or not to have surgery for himself. That is the right thing to do. That is the only thing to do.
I'll be the one to decide that.
Of course, Your Honor. Thank you very much. That is all I have to say at this time.
This court will take a brief recess, and I'll return with my determination as to whether this case will proceed any further.
You were so good. Now the judge has to side with us now, right?
I thought for sure you were going to say something about that kiss.
You're the lawyer. How do you think it went?
Oh, God, no. Right now I'm just Matthew's mom, and I don't have a clue how this thing is going.
Well, I thought our attorney made a strong case for dismissal.
This court is now back in session.
Thank you all for your patience. I've made my decision. In the matter of Matthew Buchanan's petition to override parental consent for surgery, I've decided there is sufficient cause to move forward. Counsel will begin presenting witnesses tomorrow morning. This hearing is adjourned.
All rise.
Well, that judge must want to make a name for herself. I mean, we had grounds for dismissal.
You gave it your best shot.
No, I hope you're not worried. Still have plenty of tricks up my sleeve.
That's Taya that I'm worried about. You can never tell what that woman is hiding.
Oh, I think I might have an idea. You two have some time to discuss strategy?
Sure.
Well, let me gather my papers. I'll meet you outside.
You are Matthew's mother and father. You're damn good parents. And when all is said and done, that judge is going to have to rule in your favor.
I hope so.
Well, so much for the first day of our marriage, huh?
Oh, that's not your fault.
I kept away, and I can make it up to you, though.
What are you talking about?
No. It's a surprise. I'll tell you at home.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
That was an impressive argument. As much for what you didn't say as what you did. So I trust from now on, we'll restrict our cases to the known facts, leave the dramatic revelations out of it.
Who are you? Who are you working for?
I'm a lawyer, just like you. And you know who I'm working for. Bo and Nora Buchanan.